Hello guys, in this video I want to share with you how you can easily change the temperature of LED lights from cold to warm. And for example, I have these few LED bulbs, some of them working from USB, some from battery, one bulb even from AC supply, and all of them emitting cold light. But I don't like cold light because I'm feeling uncomfortable in cold light. So I decided to change light emitting temperature, and I want to share with you how you can do it. So here you can see that all of them emitting cold light. It's white, cold, light. All of them emitting cold light. Also here you can see AC bulb, LED bulb, and this one emitting cold light too. As you can see, white and cold. So let's start. And what we need? First we need to open all of these covers, cups, and what you can see, few SMD LED lights. Here you can see more SMD components, and here again SMD components, SMD diodes. And how we can change their temperature? Just we need to use some LED filter, for example this yellow tape. All we need is just to cover LEDs by this tape. We will use this tape like a light filter. And we just need to cover all of the SMD components, SMD LEDs, by this tape. It's better to cover each component separately, because these components emitting not only light but also while it's working, it's producing heat, and for best cooling we need to cover each of them separately for best heat reduction, to prevent overheating. I speed up this video because maybe it needs some time to make it, so it's boring to watch, so I speed up this part of this video, but I hope you understand that we just need to cover each of SMD component, SMD diode by yellow tape. You can use any other kind of light filter, but yellow tape is easiest and fastest way to cover, to make light filter. Yellow tape allows to pass through only yellow part of the spectrum, of light spectrum, so it changes from white to warm yellow. Here you can see test results. Here you can see how emitting uncovered diodes and covered diodes. Here you can see change. This one. In this video it seems that it becomes green, but it's not green, it's yellow. Just my camera captured it like it's a green, but it's yellow. Some troubles with white balance because I'm filming it on my cell phone and it's not professional camera. to make colors true. But as you can see, it's warm. And this one too, let's check it. Seems warmer. Yes, it changed from white cold to yellow warm, I can say. Obvious. So guys, thanks for watching. If you learned something new from this video, please press like button, write some comment, or even subscribe to my channel. Thanks for watching. Here you can see warm light.